Why do 97% of riders chase the impossible? Because the view is always worth the risk. Because you can feel life in your fingertips. Wind bites, breath fogs, and the bike answers with a roar. Tires spit gravel on a cliff-edge road, dust trailing like a comet. Snow flurries blur the horizon, then sunlight breaks through, gold spilling over jagged peaks. Lean hard into a blind curve, feel the suspension drink the fall line, controlled, precise, alive. Drone chases every line. Helmet cam keeps it raw and real. Jump a rut, land like a promise, then ride the ridge to silence and sky. This is Himalayan altitude, power, and pure freedom. Breathe it in, then ride out.